Thank you so much. Sometimes you need that when you're here. Just to be reminded that you mean something. Bravo P, well played. Let's say think she makes the decision. This one. Same person. Let's say making you breakfast, etc. Great plan. And I admire it actually. She may think it's going somewhere, but everybody must look out for themselves and make their lives easier. If possible. It's not for everyone, but it's definitely working for you. Keep it up.
Isn't that the same letter?
Isn't that the same letter?
No, it's not.
It's not the same person.
It's the same person, but...
It sounds like the same letter.
Well, that person is very invested in what's happening here. And I love it.
And I love you. Okay.
Look at her, she's melting.